That emotional weight, plus its sheer power, makes $5.4 million feel like a steal for such a masterpiece. At number 4, we've got The Last Rainforest from 1989, which fetched $5.4 million at Sotheby's London in June 2016. This massive canvas is one of Keith's final works, painted months before he passed. Owned by photographer David LaChapelle, who said Keith painted like he knew time was running out, it doubled its estimate at auction. This piece is so raw because it's Keith confronting the end. He was fighting AIDS, watching friends die, yet he kept creating. It's a cry against destruction, of nature, of lives, and a plea for hope. That emotional weight, plus its sheer power, makes $5.4 million feel like a steal for such a masterpiece.